Located in Zhiyun, the Zhiyun Bell Museum welcomes visitors with a striking giant bell-shaped exterior that instantly captures the eye. As the only museum in Korea dedicated entirely to bells, this is a truly special place where you can experience the absolute essence of traditional Korean metalcraft and discover a profound resonance that has echoed for over 1,000 years. Stepping inside the first exhibition hall, you're immediately captivated by the breathtaking presence of the Divine Bell of King Seongdeok. Its sheer massive scale and beautifully intricate carvings of heavenly figures perfectly showcase the absolute pinnacle of traditional Korean bell artistry. Moving further into the hall, you'll discover a rich array of traditional Korean temple bells, each representing different eras and regions. Look closely at the flowing curves and intricate carvings. Every single detail beautifully preserves our ancestors' exceptional bronze casting techniques and their profound cultural spirit. Heading up to the second floor, the second exhibition hall offers an engaging, interactive space where you can uncover the secrets behind a bell's unique sound for yourself. Here, you can actually see and hear how sound waves shift, depending on exactly where the bell is struck or the precise blend of metals used. You'll also get the chance to easily compare the fascinating differences in shape and structure between the traditional temple bells of Korea, China, and Japan. Continuing on to the third exhibition hall, we explore the remarkable journey of how glowing molten metal is transformed into a pure resonant sound. Here, you can examine the raw materials used in the casting process, as well as the life story and well-worn tools of Master Wan Guang-sik, an artisan who dedicated his entire life to crafting traditional temple bells. It's a space where you come face-to-face with true craftsmanship, beautifully forged through countless hours of patience and dedication. But the museum's charm doesn't stop there. The space is packed with even more to experience, from a mesmerizing immersive media room where light and sound beautifully intertwine, to a charming hands-on experience zone designed just for kids. You can also take a moment to relax in the Larchivium, a cozy archive lounge where you can comfortably browse through fascinating materials on bells from all over the world. To mark its 20th anniversary, the museum is also hosting a special exhibition, Collection as Art. It's a rare chance to see treasured bells and related objects from across different times and cultures, carefully collected over many years by 3 passionate collectors. Stepping outside the museum, you'll find an open-air pavilion where you can actually strike a giant temple bell yourself. Give it a ring and feel its deep, powerful vibrations resonate right through your body. The pure, deep sound of a bell transcends time, bringing a gentle peace to the soul. Here at the Zhiyun Bell Museum, where this wondrous resonance and the beauty of traditional metalcraft truly come alive, we hope you leave with an unforgettable echo that lingers deep within your heart.